Stress, a word that often feels heavy, pressing down on our bodies, our minds, and even our souls. But how does stress truly affect us, especially during a time of spiritual awakening? When we experience stress, our bodies react instantly. It's an automatic response that has evolved over thousands of years to help us survive. Stress hormones like cortisol flood our bloodstream, raising our heart rate and increasing our blood pressure. This is our body's way of preparing us to face a threat. Our muscles tense up, readying us for action, and our senses become sharper. This is known as the fight or flight response, a critical survival mechanism. However, this response, while necessary in short bursts, can cause serious harm when it becomes chronic. Prolonged stress keeps our bodies in a constant state of alert. Over time, chronic stress can lead to physical issues such as headaches, digestive problems, weakened immune function, and fatigue. It can also contribute to mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Managing stress is crucial for maintaining our health. Practices like yoga, meditation, and spending time in nature can help restore our sense of balance and well-being, allowing us to lead healthier, more fulfilling lives. Stress doesn't just affect the body, it takes a toll on the mind as well. When we are stressed, our mental state can become fragile and overwhelmed. It clouds our thinking, impairs memory, and makes it difficult to focus. Everyday tasks that were once simple can become daunting challenges. The brain becomes overactive in areas linked to fear and anxiety, while shrinking in areas responsible for calm decision-making and joy. This imbalance can lead to a constant state of worry and unease. Under stress, our minds become cluttered, restless, and anxious, creating barriers to inner peace and clarity. Even in moments meant for relaxation, the mind struggles to find calm, making it hard to achieve true tranquility. During spiritual awakening, we seek connection with our higher selves, clarity, and inner peace. However, stress can disrupt this process. It creates a block in our spiritual energy, leaving us feeling disconnected, lost, and overwhelmed. Stress clouds our intuition and inner guidance, making it difficult to hear the voice within the voice of our true selves. But stress doesn't have to dominate our lives. It is possible to reclaim peace and balance even in the midst of chaos. Through mindful practices like deep breathing, meditation, grounding in nature, and spending time in serene environments and self-reflection, we can reconnect with our spiritual essence and restore balance to our body and mind. These practices help us to slow down, breathe deeply, and find inner peace. By recognizing the signs of stress and consciously choosing calm, we can take proactive steps to manage our stress levels. We nurture not only our physical and mental well-being, but also our spiritual awakening. This holistic approach ensures that we live a more balanced, fulfilling, and harmonious life. Stress may be a part of life, but so is peace. Choose to let go, breathe deeply, and embrace the calm. Your body, mind, and spirit will thank you.